All right, guys, today I'm going to show you how to factory reset the Eufy Smart lock. So pretty simple here. First thing you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and remove this back cover here. And on the back, you're going to see a very small sync button. It's kind of hard to see here, but it's in between these two. And you'll see it's right there, and you'll hear me click it. And when you factory reset, that's going to turn off the Wi-Fi. It's going to start it all from scratch, even if you have a profile set up. So just a heads up there. And what you're going to do is you're going to tap it 5 times, and on that 5th time, you're going to hold it for 30 seconds. All right, so we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you're going to hold it here for a true 30 seconds. You'll hear a beep typically, and what you do is you'll just wait, and then after that 30 seconds is up, you'll go ahead and remove your finger off there. So my finger's still on there pushing down on that button. And then when I remove it, which it's been about 30 seconds, go ahead and remove it.
Ready to set up.
Go ahead and don't even have to click it again. It went ahead and reset it without me even re-clicking it. So that's how you guys would factory reset the Eufy Smart Lock if you ever needed to. Thanks, guys, and let me know if you have any questions. See ya.